Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going over the Harbor Freight super coupon deals going on from August 17th through the 30th. But before we get to that, this is the end of the parking lot sale, and I would love to hear down in the comments down below on what you guys scored during the parking lot sale. Now let's get started. Starting off the first category, we got power tools and accessories, and the first thing we have here is a Bauer 12 amp 6-inch benchtop joiner. This is going to be $279.99, $20 off. I have a deal on that. Then we got a Hercules 9 amp variable speed surface conditioning tool for $99.99, $40 off. That is a great sale. And then finishing off this row, we got a Hercules 15 amp 42 pound 1 1/8 hex lower wall breaker hammer with maximum vibration control for $399.99, $100 off. That is another good deal. Next up here we have the Bauer 5-inch hook and loop universal pattern sanding disc 15 pack for $849, 15% off. Good deal on that one. Then we got some more Bauer. We got the 1 horsepower 14-inch stationary wood cutting bandsaw for $599.99, $100 off. Great deal on that. And finishing off this row, we got a 9-gallon 4.5 peak horsepower wet dry vacuum, $59.99, 25% off. I always say if it's between 20 and 30%, that is a good deal to snag up. Starting off this row, we got a 6-inch bench grinder with the LED light for $44.99, 10% off. Our threshold's 15%, but usually I do not see this one go on sale often, so you might want to snag it. Then we got a Hercules universal portable bandsaw benchtop stand for $99.99, $20 off. And finishing off this row, we got a Hercules 11 amp 5-inch deep cut variable speed bandsaw for $159.99, $20 off. Kind of cool that they actually did the sale together on this, so you could buy each one of them. Very nice. Starting off the next row, we got a Bauer Premium Auto Detailing Accessory Kit for wet dry vacuums. This is going to be $19.99 at 33% off. Would definitely snag that up if you need it. Then we got a Warrior 1 3/8-inch plunge flush cutting blade for oscillating multi-tools for $399, 55% off. Great deal on that one. And finishing off this row, we got the Bauer 9 amp 1/2-inch variable speed D-handle drill, $47.99, 20% off. Now we got a Meguiar's 32-ounce mirror glaze Ultra Pro finish polish, $29.99 at 21% off. Then we got a Bauer benchtop router table for $129.99, but it's only $10 off. Not that great of a deal, but once again, this is something I don't see that goes on sale a lot, so you might want to snag it. Then finishing off this row, we got a 12-volt cordless 18-gauge narrow crown stapler, tool only, $89.99 at $30 off. Starting off this row, we got a Bauer Cobalt fractional number and letter indexing bit set. This one is going to be 115 piece at $129.99, $10 off. Next up, we got a Hercules 7.5-inch auger bit set, 3-piece, $19.99 at 33% off. Great deal on that one. Then finishing off this row, we got the Central Machinery 1-inch by 30-inch belt and 5-inch disc sander. This one is going to be $59.99, 14% off, just below our threshold, but I would snag it for that price. Next up here, we got one of my favorite categories. We got hand tools. And starting off the hand tools, we have a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty adjustable laser etched wrench set. This one is a 4-piece for $14.99, 16% off. Then we got some Icon lifetime guarantee on these. 3/8 drive impact swivel socket set. Your choice of standard or metric is going to be $89.99, $30 off. Then we got some more Pittsburgh lifetime replacement on these. Well, lifetime warranty if you go by what they say there. Universal joint socket adapter set, 3-piece, $6.99 at 36% off. That is a great deal. Starting off this row, we got some more Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 3/8 drive hex socket set. This is a 6-piece. Your choice of standard or metric, 33% off. That's another great deal. Then we got the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty screwdriver set. This one is a 22-piece, $7.99, 33% off. And look at everything you get. This even includes the stubbies, and they got a lifetime warranty on this. Now this is going to be a good pickup right here because I've got the 15-piece Quinn. Although that is a nice set, they do not come with the stubbies, so you might want to look at this one. And then finishing off this row, we got a Doyle lifetime guarantee professional flip utility knife, $7.99, 20% off. I do have this one, and I do like it. I still need to do a video on it for you guys though, so look forward to that. Next up here, we got a Pittsburgh Lifetime Warranty number 2 by 4-inch Phillips screwdriver for $1.79, 28% off. That'd be a great thing to pick up to put in a to-go bag. Then finishing off this section, we got a Doyle Lifetime Guarantee 7-inch Carpenter's Vise, $59.99 at 14% off. Next category we have is air tools and compressors, and the first thing we got in this one is going to be a Pierce 15-degree professional coil roofing nailer for $169.99, $30 off on that. Then we got a Central Pneumatic 20-ounce HVLP gravity feed air spray gun with a regulator. This has the 1.4 millimeter nozzle for $19.99, 33% off. Great deal on that. And finishing off this section, we have our Merlin 1/4 inch by 100 foot polyurethane air hose with the 1/4 inch MPT fittings. This is going to be $29.99, 33% off also, so that is a great deal. Next category we got is tool storage and organization, and the first thing we got in this one is going to be the Yukon 5-tier shelf. This is a 36 inch by 18 by 72 inch for $39.99, 33% off. Great deal on that one. Next up here, we have the US General 5-outlet magnetic power strip with a metal housing and 2 USB ports for $23.99, 29% off. Available in all these colors. I am definitely snagging that up as soon as this sale hits. Then finishing off this row, we got a US General 25-pound magnetic hook. This is $4.99, 37% off. Available in all these colors. I might pick a couple of these up also while they're on sale. All right, starting off this row, we got something new. We got the Bauer new modular 2-drawer toolbox, $59.99 at 14% off. Then we got a new Yukon 36 inch by 18 inch 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet, $279.99, $50 off, sorry. That is going to be available in these 4 colors. That is not a bad deal for something that size. Then finishing off this row, we got a metal 30 caliber ammo can, $9.99 at 28% off. Next up here, we got a US General magnetic power and air tool holder for $18.99, 13% off. And finishing off this row, we got a Voyager 21-inch steel toolbox, $29.99, 14% off. Next category is another one of my favorites. We got Automotive, and we got some good deals right here off the bat. We got a Pittsburgh 2-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump, $99.99, $40 off. Good deal on that one. Next up here, we got the Daytona 6-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands for $64.99. That is 18% off and available in these 6 colors. Then finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 1.5-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump, $89.99, $20 off. Starting off this row, we got the Cover Pro 10-foot by 20-foot portable car canopy for $119.99, $20 off. Then we got the Viking 1700 peak amp portable car battery jump starter and power pack with a 150 psi air compressor for $179.99, $50 off. And finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 2,000-pound low-profile transmission jack. This is going to be $279.99, $100 off. Not a bad deal. Starting off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 800-pound low-lift transmission jack for $169.99. And that is $70 off on that. Then we got the Pittsburgh 1-ton portable hydraulic equipment kit. This is going to be $179.99 at $90 off. Good deal on that one. And finishing off this row, we got the Daytona 2-ton professional racing series aluminum floor jack with rapid pump for $169.99, and that's going to be $60 off. Starting off this row, we got a Hallmaster 3,500-pound A-frame weather-resistant electric trailer jack with the drop leg. This is going to be $134.99, $25 off on that. Next up here, we have an Icon 400-pound capacity 43-inch professional creeper for $109.99, $30 off. And finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 440-pound electric hoist with remote control, $84.99 at $15 off. Starting off this row, we got a Hallmaster ST175/80R13 1,360-pound capacity radial trailer tire for $109.99, $20 off. Then we got the Pittsburgh biker style pneumatic roller seat for $79.99, $30 off. Then we got an instant on-off telescoping flow-through brush for $16.99, 22% off. Starting off this row, we got a Jupiter 120 watt continuous 240 watt peak modified sine wave power inverter. This is going to be $21.99, 12% off, not that great of a deal. Hallmaster tandem axle stabilizer 2-pack, $34.99 at 22% off. Now we got some Maddox, a rear axle bearing puller set, 3-piece at $19.99, 33% off. That is a great deal. Next up here, we have a Hallmaster 10,000 pound drop leg trailer jack for $129.99, $40 off. Then we got a Hallmaster 5,000 pound capacity adjustable tow bar. This is going to be $69.99, 22% off on that. And finishing off this row, we got a Hallmaster 4.8-12-inch tire with the 4-lug rim load B. This is going to be at $59.99, 14% off. And finishing off this section, we have a Hallmaster 10,000 pound capacity weight distributing hitch. This is going to be $179.99, $40 off. Next category is going to be generators and engines, and the first thing we got in this one is going to be a Vanguard 100 foot by 10/3 gauge multiple outlet extension cord. This is going to be $124.99 at $15 off. Then we got the Vanguard 2 foot triple tap 3 outlet extension cord for $3.99, 20% off. And finishing off this row, we got the Predator 212cc Ghost Kart Racing Engine, $279.99. This one is $70 off. I actually still have a go-kart. Next category is going to be lawn and garden, and the first thing we got here in lawn and garden is going to be a Bauer 2300 psi 1.2 GPM brushless max performance electric pressure washer for $199.99, $50 off. Then we got a 10 foot by 12 foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant 12 mil tarp. This is going to be $15.99, 20% off. And finishing off this row, we got a Bunker Hill Security 1000 lumen solar powered motion activated peel and stick waterproof security light, $24.99 at 28% off. Next up here, we got a One Stop Garden 1,000 pound capacity mesh deck steel wagon, $79.99 at $20 off. Then we got a Chicago Electric Power Tool electric chainsaw sharpener. This is going to be $24.99 at 28% off. That is a good deal on that one. And finishing off this row, we got a 14-inch 3,300 psi surface cleaner for gas and electric pressure washers. This is going to be $39.99 at 20% off. Next up here, we got home and security, and the first thing we got in this one is going to be a Bunker Hill Security 1 1/2 inch keyed alike padlock 3-pack, $3.99 at 42% off. Then we got the Bunker Hill 1 1/2 inch laminated steel padlock with a long shackle 2-pack, $6.99 at 22% off. Next category is going to be welding, and the first thing we got in this one is going to be a Vulcan 500 pound capacity heavy duty large welding cabinet, $349.99 at $50 off. Then we got an Olson medium duty oxygen and acetylene welding kit. This is going to be $139.99, $20 off. And finishing off this row, we got a Chicago Electric 80 watt iron plastic welding kit, $14.99 at 25% off. Good deal on that. Then finishing off this category, we got something new here from Berger. This is the TIG welding accessory kit for $69.99 at 12% off. Next category we got here is plumbing, and the first thing we got in this is going to be a Bauer 25 foot drilled powered drain auger for $26.99, 10% off. Then we got the Central Machinery 38-inch to 2-inch ratcheting pipe threader set, 10-piece, $74.99 at 16% off. Next category is going to be electrical, and we only got one thing in electrical. We got a Storehouse 400-foot wire spool rack, $34.99 at 12% off. Next category we got is going to be hardware, and there's only one thing in this also. In hardware, we got the Pittsburgh Automotive plastic fastener kit, 240 piece for $11.99 at 36% off. That is a smoking deal. If you guys do any work on cars, you know these things break and come up missing. That is a great price on these. Next category is going to be material handling and safety, and the first thing we got in this one is going to be a Franklin 30-inch by 18-inch 1,000 pound capacity hardwood dolly for $14.99 at 25% off. Then we got the Franklin 150 pound capacity foldable hand truck, $29.99 at 25% off. And finishing off this row, we got a Franklin 2.5 ton pallet jack. This is going to be $329.99, $70 off. Next category is going to be painting, and we only got one item in this. This one, we got the Avante Premium Paint Kit, 9-piece, best quality, $12.99 at 18% off. And the next category is going to be lighting, and we only got one thing here in lighting also. We got the Icon 800 lumen LED rechargeable deck handheld foldable slim bar work light for $32.99 at 17% off, and it's available in these 4 colors. And there you have it. There is the Harbor Freight super coupon deals that are going to be going on from August 17th through the 30th. There's a lot of great deals going on in this one. I see at least 2 things I'm going to go snag up on these. And once I do, I'm going to start doing videos on this stuff, so that way I can recommend you guys to watch the video on my opinion on some of these tools. Leave a comment down below if you're excited to see that. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. It really helps the channel grow, and I cannot grow this channel without you guys. Also, we are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.